Alice here. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where one small pattern makes real Korean sentences feel possible.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘은 크다, 작다, 많다를 자연스럽게 바꿔볼게요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. By the end, you can say 방이 커요 and 사람이 많아요.
My mistake is very English speakerish. I want to say the bag's small, so I freeze at 가방 작다, 작아요. What changes?
좋은 질문이에요. Dictionary form is not usually how we end a polite everyday sentence.
In Korean, descriptive words like 크다, 작다, and 많다 act like verbs. They change at the end of the sentence.
오늘의 패턴은 polite present endings, 아요 and 어요. In English, this makes is big, is small, or there are many.
So these are adjectives in English, but in Korean they behave like verbs at the end?
맞아요. 크다 means to be big. To make it polite present, 크다 becomes 커요.
작다 becomes 작아요. 많다 becomes 많아요. These two keep the stem, then add 아요.
먼저 자연스러운 예문을 들어보세요. 방이 커요.
방이 커요. 방 means room. E marks the thing we are describing. And 커요 means is big.
가방이 작아요.
가방이 작아요. 작아요 is the polite present form of 작다. is small.
사람이 많아요.
사람이 많아요. In natural English, we often say there are many people, not people are many.
Let me reason it out. I take offa from 크다, butted plus 어요 turns into 커요, not 크어요.
Exactly. 크다 is a basic 우 dropping pattern. 크 plus 어요 becomes 커요.
작다 is simpler. Remove 다, keep 작, then add 아요. So 작아요.
많다 also takes 아요. 만 plus 아요 becomes 많아요.
여기서 이 or 가 marks what you are describing. In English, think this thing is big or small.
So, 책이 커요 means the book is big because sick ends with a final consonant and takes u.
맞아요. And 커피가 많아요 means there is a lot of coffee because coffee has no final consonant and takes 가.
Now listen to a tiny real dialogue. Imagine choosing a table at a cafe. 이 테이블이 작아요.
네, 저 테이블이 커요.
사람이 많아요.
I heard 이 테이블이 작아요. Then 저 테이블이 커요. Very useful cafe, survival Korean.
이 테이블이 작아요.
Notice the sentence order. The thing comes first, then 이 or 가, then the describing verb at the end.
Alice, repeat after me. 방이 커요.
방이 커요.
좋아요. 나우 가방이 작아요.
가방이 작아요.
Good. One more. 사람이 많아요.
사람이 많아요.
완벽해요. The meaning is not the person is many. In English, use there are many people.
Common mistake time. I'm tempted to say 가방이 작다 in a polite conversation because 작다 means small.
That is the dictionary or plain form. For friendly, polite speech, say 가방이 작아요.
Another mistake is adding 이에요 after the adjective, like 작아요이에요. Don't do that. 작아요 already means is small.
So I should not say 방이 커요예요. Just 방이 커요.
Correct. 커요, 작아요, and 많아요 already finished the polite sentence.
Quick check. You want to politely say, this room is big. Which sentence is best?
I'm choosing A. 이 방이 커요. B is dictionary or plain, and C is extra. 예요.
Answer A. 이 방이 커요 is natural, polite, present. 크다 is not the friendly sentence ending here. And 커요예요 doubles the is.
One more check. At a crowded cafe, what sounds natural for there are many people?
A again. 사람이 많아요. 많아요. Already works like there are many.
맞아요. Answer A. 많아요 is the polite, present, descriptive verb. 많이 is the adverb a lot. So it needs another verb.
정리해 볼게요. 크다, 작다, 많다는 Korean descriptive verbs. In English, they feel like adjectives, but in Korean, they conjugate like verbs.
핵심 하나. 크다 becomes 커요. In English, that is big. Remember, not 크어요 in everyday speech.
핵심 둘. 작다 becomes 작아요, and 많다 becomes 많아요. In English, is small and are many.
핵심 셋. Say the thing with 이, 오가 first. 방이 커요. 가방이 작아요. 사람이 많아요.
핵심 넷. 이미 커요, 작아요, 많아요가 문장을 끝내요. In English, they already include is or are, so don't add 이예요.
My keeper sentence is 방이 커요. 3 words, real Korean, and I can swap in. 가방이 작아요. Or 사람이 많아요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 방이 커요. Next time we'll build more useful descriptive sentences.
수고했어요. This was Korean Ladder. Keep climbing one sentence at a time.